Enterprise for the Vim Mr. Abba. Wasn't such an one, Yentia Mai. We have Vim Mr. Nadia Sia, he fear or Sabaya, Brebia, Hobache, Kamana, Santibia, Emma. Fred Joe Mensa Enterprise was 0242 201 110 0242 201 110. Then one Casa 2C mobile TV so phone. Now we call Play Store. Now we download. Baby, I want to we na coin now. We share programs. I want to so TV. So Sanso and Winneba education of University of Education Winneba campus and so one more edge admission. This how we get the new person to a woman so. Say we are would you may new person to a woman swallow call University of Education Winneba Nakotwa so break anyone one cano yet one more celebrate the abraso say your name woman forced to do commander woman sonka woman brantia son no brony ya and nay dentra boase for one more kum ni show no yanya ebinum ya no one more edin komo ma me mo akwa baba Adom TV so kasanu lalamo ni na fe musu shawa denche wo ye wala ga sha bada ye wo mi oni ye bu oni ga matele ka show so dan do mi na je wo lo na ga chope sana mi na ga lele so ame police the police investigation lele so dan do le shi ame gbele ya ni yo tete nyo pamanches nega su nega shombla yo shi musu shani na me fe le mopo wo ya bada ye wo mi o gbe na me bo na kan fe mo sani ye po ga ko nyekpa sha me pa ye o fita e ko o me fe so amu ma no gbe be fe na ka ma ba Ghana akwa children's house na meni yo ja amu ma me na je ba bua me tu na bua me omo aka me no po na me no ame fe bonu bo mo ye bonu no ma ye no nyekpa Inti mami adwene no wo ma ye bone no wo ma ye na nya kra ma me baka wa adwene na sabredi akwaso wo ma me kan wa adwene fa sister amu titi ye enja is say obi banya captain ya mani papa ni mami na busu nyina ya akọ na sankrofo no ya ma mu curfew 6 to 6 amu ye widifo hwe be ma konofo sa unua be ma no no a wo fomu kwankwan ni wa bisa wa se mo ba besia ya ni wa mundi papa Yanye abansa mu free mu andi sini MPP da chen ya ni wa mundi ni ye ya ma mu 6 to 6 ya se ma me ka no na me fie yin kula amebo mode ko mo julo kla police station na bi o de da ni si ba nye momo nye gbele nunu papa fenfo ni nye gbele nye shalalawu ni nye gbele nye mebo si je sa nye shalalawu ni je julo ni ka mo julo akla police station agbele mra ni na me fie ma no aka ma ye 6 to 6 aka ma ye ka amla lo nwa me wo ma bi wo panen eti no wa kana de be me na ye mo akwa baba Adom TV.
Hello, the Mimi Pakasane. This shouldn't be government something. They should leave the military to do their work. Me, if today a military man comes to stand for government, I'll vote for him. There are certain things that we're supposed to take it out of political lines. Look at, we can cite a lot of examples that came. Oh, the government has appointed someone to be in the office and then they go and said, no, we don't want that fellow to go and ransack the place. Many examples you can cite. This is uncalled for. You understand? If the youth were illiterate, what about the assemblyman himself? At least the man was shouting in the video, I am a soldier man, I am a soldier man. Even at the point he removed his ID card. But they said, no, this is deliberate action. And they took. So these people, they are supposed to go through. And I think this is the time that the government should take public education. This is, sometimes you think that what is happening sometimes is like the public doesn't know what is going on. At least, Uchobia, the first point of call is that take the fellow to the police station. Yeah, but you take the laws into your hands and then you do whatever you want. That is my opinion. Yeah, that's Papa. Can we do no? Na Springbok College, so one more boy and Papa, so one more Madina Race Junction. About a move from man and call Springbok College. Now one woman see and move for 0249 101012 0249 101012. Or them walk about Adom TV. But me person me kasa. Dia omoyano. Emfata se omoyesa. Kaya mea. Otia kurumfoa. Ayese oyere ofanu ko police station.
na onko bisa no asam nti won fa ne ko anye ora ti se mo bo nipa no kunu sa nipa ye nipa mo ka se nipa ye nipa nti anye se omo bo no kunu nti dia omo joggers for no se omba ye omo no omo ye omo sa ne so hu yes omo ye omo bibi
oh wadwe no ma me ka wadwe
oh mi se na mo ye no ade na ya mi ya pa kire se uba ni no a wa bo mo ne bra o wa hwe no wa ko school wa wie ko ye djuma bra fie no ma me nye bindi se na mo aye se onya aponchi nti e kame ko ade a omo da 2 o'clock ye mo sorry 10 o'clock ye ma mo 4 hours
yara se ma me aka na adwe no no so ka wadwe Adom TV
me pesa me kama azon na me kan kira no seri ade ni sinu aya obia ya because ugo chikronfo ana ugo chi obia ori osakana na hu se ebia na hu se okuta bibi ana oye bibi be ni bane ye bibia na ni bane nanti kwa na obusa bibia yin se mu starta na mu kukunu mu busa ni sign na mu starta abubono no ti sa sam no aye me yese assembly man so wo krom no na mu ntimi fa no police station na ni ba bibire gina ho na obia ni ajoin se oh we no mu hwese na yese ria ba hu na obia abubono na mu re boba tutu no sa agokunu no showcase no mu wo ha omo ye na hu se showcase wo Ghana be omo ye hwia na sam we aye silent aba ma ba ho obia
oh am nya sala ma me kan de
mami no ni pe waje ho hia mo wa mo ko hia ho nyoji nehu